In 1997, we started to develop the roomware concept, and in 1999 we built the second generation of roomware components. The Dynawall is a large interactive wall with about 5 square meters of touch-sensitive interactive display. In order to provide a very intuitive interaction using only fingers and pens, we developed the Beach software, a cooperative hypermedia environment. For example, objects can be taken from one side and put at the other side of the wall, or they can be thrown even with different accelerations. Beach provides a modeless interface allowing to scribble and to gesture for executing commands without having to switch modes. The incremental gesture recognition detects the type of input and provides feedback via different colors or sounds. All of this supports people in working cooperatively on the Dynawall. The Calm Chair combines the mobility and comfort of an armchair with the functionality of a pen-based computer. It has an independent power supply and is connected to all other roomware components via a wireless network. The Beach software provides a private workspace for personal notes and a public workspace that allows moving them to other roomware components, in this example to the Dynawall. Using the Calm Chair, one can also interact remotely with all objects displayed on the Dynawall. The passage mechanism provides an intuitive way for the physical transportation of virtual information structures. Arbitrary physical objects, so-called passengers, can be used. The assignment is done via a simple gesture moving the information object to the virtual part of the so-called bridge. No electronic tagging is needed. In order to retrieve the information, one simply puts the passenger object on another bridge in a new location. The Interactable is a roomware component with a large touch-sensitive horizontal display. It provides the challenge of having different view perspectives. In order to provide common orientations for cooperative group work, the users can create multiple views and rotate objects so that they can work jointly with correct view perspectives. The Connectable is a modular version of the Calm Chair, allowing to be used in different positions, either sitting in front of it on a regular chair or using it in a stand-up position as a high desk. Its particular name, Connectable, results from the functionality that its workspace area can be easily extended by connecting it with other connectables. The coupling of the individual displays, resulting in a common shared workspace, is achieved by simply moving the connectables together. Information objects can be shared by simply moving them to the other side, regardless of the physical border. Palm Beach is a creativity support tool to be used for mobile work. It focuses on generation and structuring of ideas. Palm Beach provides functionality for the exchange of cards and card sets, not only among PDAs, but also with stationary devices running Beach. Here, the card received from a colleague earlier is beamed to the Dynawall, whereby it is transformed into a Beach card. Magnets is a novel interaction technique to support successive bottom-up structuring of cards. Element cards are repelling upon creation to avoid overlap. On the contrary, title cards are attracting, thus supporting the progressive clustering of cards. When an element is dragged over a title card, it sticks to it and becomes attracting itself. It is released again by quickly tearing it away from the magnetic cluster. Magnets also provides flexible visualization forms. Card clusters can be expanded and collapsed to switch the focus of attention. The roomware of the second generation, in combination with our software, provides the components for our vision of the workspaces of the future.